Well, buenos dias, mi amigos. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and it's a nice day out. It's a perfect day for a bike commute. Day 3 in a row. That's kind of our record here, or our average. Love it. We're almost up to after this we'll be up to like 17, 18 miles for the week, so that's freaking cool. Yeah, we got a full day at the Fire Academy. I got my lunch in there. I got everything. It's gonna be a fun full day of bottle filling. I think it's day 3 of hose for him, so that's why I'm there. And yeah, let's get on the bike. Let's have a great commute. Thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the merch store. And as always, guys, do something every single day to make yourselves better than yesterday. And let's get after it. See you, Charlie. And just like that, bike commute completed. What a bunch of dorks those Caltrain workers putting that sandbag right in the bike lane. Like, is that really the best solution? Like, no one's gonna ride their bike to work or ride their bike at all. This is Lompoc, California. No one's gonna be doing that. Come on, guys, turn your brains on just a little bit. Like, I think it's also like some kind of level of entitlement too. It's like, well, we're working on the road. We deserve all the space and everything. Don't get me wrong, it is sketchy to work on the road, I have to assume, but also be a little mindful of everyone else around you too. But anyways, bike commute done. Time to get into our work clothes, and we got a whole rack of bottles to fill. Golly, just look at this weather right now. Like, that looks all like rain for sure. All up there, rain. Just holy moly. I was kind of mocking it. I'm like, it's not gonna rain. It's gonna be fine. And well, it's not gonna rain today, but it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, and I can I can definitely see it's coming. Oh boy, maybe I might leave early today just to kind of beat the weather. It is not super windy, but you can feel the wind coming up, and it's just, oh, it's gonna be a fun one home. Okay, work day over. Now let's have a nice, fun ride, uneventful ride home. And I'm 99.99% sure it's not gonna rain on the ride home, but hey, you never know. But it is dark, so we switched to our clear glasses. Now, worst comes to worst, I just throw my cover over my backpack because I got like a rain fly for it, and we're on a gravel bike, right? So we could take the elements. Anyways, let's get home. Woo! That was crazy. I can't say we beat the rain because I don't know if you can tell or not, but it started sprinkling on my way here. But as soon as I got up the big hill to my house, it really started coming down. Holy moly. That was one of my best times too for coming home. Heck yeah. I hope it was able to capture that lightning. That was crazy. I was coming up the hill, as you saw, and like bam, right on those hills over there that we run to, like so much lightning. That was crazy. But anyways, I'm out of breath right now trying to beat that rain. Anyways, let's get out of our bike and stuff, and let's just see what the rest of the day has for us.